Yeah, so bulges, if they have a retaining wall and it's bulging, that's a pretty good sign that you need a repair. Might be time to replace it. They should, if they don't have a retaining wall, but they're looking to make better use of their yard, usually a retaining wall is going to play a big part of that, to create some flat space out of a slope. So a lot of people maybe don't take that into consideration, how they can maximize the use of their yard. Other things might be if they see sinking, if they have a wall and they see parts of it are sinking, that means the ground is soft. Maybe they have a water problem. If there's a lot of water, if they're having a lot of water coming through the wall, things are getting washed out. In some cases, not even a retaining wall, just a drain system, which we do as well. Sometimes we'll come in and we'll do trenches and put in routes for water to escape so that it doesn't hurt their wall in the long run. If you'd like to learn more about New Life Rockeries, please contact us and we'd be happy to provide a free consultation.